Now, the imposter, Mr. Kulu, has decided within himself that this is about time where I have to stop all this shenanigan where I lie, ubunyundululu nobuxoki, ndiyabiyeka ke ngoku, ndifuna ukuphila impilo entsha. I don't think that will be long lasting. Just after the statement, he started regretting what he just said. So I don't think he will start over and tell the truth of who he is and be a better man. I don't see it happening because Ngati, his walls are closing down on him. Because if you remember the conversation that he had with Umantul about where he was asking more information about Umkwenyana Waike, and Mantul was telling her about Umkwenyana, which was a bit disappointing. I actually wanted him to find out about Lihasa in the house same day on the spot. But okay, anyway, the writer decided otherwise, and then he decided that he should know about Lehasa prior to. So now he was asking more details as to when is Lehasa coming, who did he marry. Then he realized it's like the person that he married Uyamazi Upriti, and which is a problem to him. And he wanted to know how much was the lobola paid, and Umantuli was willing to disclose that at Sondela Lapa in. And of which now, remember there was a conversation prior to that, nomngani wakhe ukuthi mhlambe akuba kidnape ke. Lento efitshane leya has no peace. Oh my goodness. That guy has no peace. All he wants is just havoc everywhere. Athi awuba kidnape ke sesifuna imali. Ule haso uzokwazi ukuyikhokhela imali esifuna. Oh my goodness. So now they had a conversation in the kitchen and then bekaphethe umese. The way bekabembe ngakhona umese. Oh, Mantuli did not see a problem with that, but it's in the how he was holding that knife, and it just scared me ukuthi kahle boyzini ufuna ukwenzani la because hey angisakuthembi kahle ayisabonakale kahle lento ufuna ukuyenza. But then at the end of the day uMantuli wamtshela ukuthi how much was the lobola that was paid, and then he asked as to when is umkhwenyana wakho coming to visit us. She was not sure. She said, but then I will let you know when he's about to come because he's gonna come soon, but I'm just not sure of the date. That bothered him to say if she does not know, avela telege, and which means that he's hanging on a very thin thread. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Sam Sanbonani, Dimadekwana, Njani, Pukile Hingongwina. So, namuhla kano kwa hina wa Skim Sam Hikuma Koroshlos Tamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Mr. Kulu, there was a conversation that happened regarding the choir. And he seems not to be keen because of this Pavarotti. I don't know what that is, but it looks like if he is part of the choir, as he came and introduced himself as a choir master, something would go wrong. Now, the organization has already organized with abantwana bazoya choir and then moyucula, and he's gonna be part of it. Now he was busting out to say the outcomes of this thing won't be nice. So ngicela nje singayi phambili ngayo. While on the other hand, Pretty Sakamela was reminded of what a lawyer should be and put her feelings aside and assist the lawyer based on the law, not based on her truth and what she knows and what she believes. Examples were dished out. If Ulahasa Wenzaranje, are you going to be happy about it? She said, no, but then focus on what you're here for, not what your feelings are telling you or what you think is right. It's what you can prove in court, not what you know. Interesting. Well, on the other hand, Ivy has been part of the people that have been shortlisted, and that did not sit well. This comes after the HR personnel went to Mr. Homo and said, "Gibona libitola Ivy," and then it looks like Ivy unali qualifications and the parking experience here high. It's quite good, and then the HR personnel says. The unfortunate part of it is that I can't hire her because now we'll be having two homos, your wife and your ex-wife fighting to each other. And the problem is the current wife that you have, she does not work. Yena u busy ka manala linto jojo chohle ka moka and habereki. And then on the other hand, the Ivy wife, yena wa bereka. Sylvia High, it's speaking nice things, and the the reviews tja hae where she has worked, good things are said about her. So ha ke itse gore re beya kae. Well, then the current wife now, Talita, busted into his office and she was upset. A re ha ke itse gore o ntseya gore ke selo mang, but one thing is for sure ke gore mosadi ya hao Ivy ha no bereka mo, nka se bereke le yena. Whatever you do, just make sure that she does not come here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Please remember to subscribe and leave me your comment. I really love and enjoy hearing from you.